Hey traders, what's going on? Welcome to Intel Investors, and for today's topic we're going to talk about trading without any knowledge. Now that statement may come as a bit of a shocker for you because what kind of person in their right mind would trade the Forex market, or for any other market for that matter, without any knowledge or without prior training, without reading a single book about it? Who would trade? Who would invest significant amount of capital for something that they're not aware of, they don't have a clue of? But surprisingly, there are still people who do this. There are people who are confident enough or somehow think that either the Forex market or stock market is just a platform for them to earn quick bucks, quick and easy money. Now, I don't really know who kind of installed this belief that these traders have, these bunch of individuals have, but it could be their friends, or they could either be victims of online advertisements that say that trading is simple enough to do, that anyone can do it regardless of whatever skill that you currently possess. And in the Forex market, there is a sort of bait for new traders, and it is the demo account. Believe it or not, the demo account, I think for me, it serves only one purpose, and that is just to learn about your broker's offerings, about their financial instruments available on the platform, the spreads, the commission, their trade execution, that only. But it's never meant to be a barometer for trading real money. It's not a measuring stick that will determine if you're ready for the real thing. But the problem is that's how most new traders use the demo for. They will use it for a good couple of weeks and just to make some profits, and if they make some money, that's enough for them. That determines that they're ready. And sometimes even the available resources that their broker provides, the educational materials, the webinars, all of them are ignored because they have conceptualized a way for them to trade the market, and it's rooted from the transactions that they've taken on the demo account. They formed a methodology that because I'm profitable on the demo, I don't need anything else, and I'm going to approach the market the same way. But here's the thing. Demo account, obviously, there's no emotions involved. It's completely devoid of any emotions. So you can let a trade linger in the negative territory for whatever amount of time you prefer, and you wouldn't mind. But if it's real money, you worry, you get greedy, you want to get the results right away. You quickly close small profits, and then you let your trade linger in negative territory, and hoping that it would somehow bounce back sometime in the future. So that's what happens, and when they approach the real account, they get shocked that they're losing money. That somehow they thought that the results in the demo is replicable on the real account. And they end up asking themselves, why? What the hell happened? And then what they would do? Instead of trying to learn, instead of attending a training, they would give the Forex market a bad rap. Or other than that, they would approach their similarly clueless friend for an advice. And guess what their friends would tell them? Maybe you just need signals. Right, signals. Now here's the thing about signals. Some companies do provide this for a fee. They would give you signals when to enter, when to exit trades. And if you've gone through Facebook groups, you've seen so many people, I don't know if all of them are legitimate or not, but they advertise almost the same thing. That if you open an account with them, they'll provide you signals, or you can pay for the signals yourself. But if signals work, why sell them? If signals are truly profitable, and if their system wins, I don't know, 70-80% of the time, then that's good enough for you to make money. Why sell it? Why sell your secret formula? So I conclude that if you do want to learn about the Forex market, because you approach the market as a trader, and I suppose the people who, I just described are hell-bent on becoming a trader, you have to learn. You have to completely immerse yourself in studying the market, because there are players out there that's just going to take you out of the game as soon as they can. So, and the market also changes. It's very dynamic. The best thing that you can do is manage your risk, and that's what you can do with learning. So because if you don't try to learn, then you can't earn, as corny as it may sound. But that's the real thing. The Forex market is all about, and also the stock market, you have to learn how to trade. You have to learn how to carefully manage your risk, because any other approach than that, and you're just basically gambling. And that's the worst way to approach the market.